wait a minute! I had 2 socks this morning.
Where did the other one go?
I looked in the drawer, I looked on the chair, I checked in the basket, but it wasn't there. Under the blanket, behind the big clock, then I heard a giggle.
Catch me if you can, said the sock. Tip, tip, toe.
Where did it go?
Swish, swash, spin.
Was it lost within?
Where do the lost socks go?
No!
Nobody really knows.
Maybe they dance.
Maybe they fly.
Maybe they party all night.
Where do the lost socks hide?
Do they zoom and slide?
Maybe they surf.
Maybe they race.
All over the laundry place.
The washing machine went whirr, round and round. Bubbles were bouncing up from the ground. The sock rode a towel like a pirate at sea, then jumped from the basket shouting,
Wait for me! Flip, flip, flop.
it just won't stop.
Zoom, zoom, zing.
What a funny thing!
Where do the lost socks go? Nobody really knows.
Maybe they dance.
Maybe they fly.
Maybe they wiggle nearby.
Where do the lost socks play?
Do they hide all day?
Maybe they hop.
Maybe they glide.
Taking secret little rides.
I searched in the kitchen, I searched near the door. Then the cat looked guilty lying on the floor.
I checked inside my hoodie sleeve.
Oh, what a surprise!
The missing sock was laughing there.
Right before my eyes!
Now I know where socks can go.
Sometimes they just roam,
They wiggle and bounce. They tumble around.
but somehow they always come home.
Yes, the little sock came back after all that fun. Now the pair can dance together.
2 socks
Are better than one.
So if your sock goes missing someday,
Don't worry too much.
it might just be on another
Big adventure.